Hey guys, welcome to the start of Trail Jam 2026. We got a small group. We've got one new, not new to wheeling, but new to him rig that we're going to be building later. But we're going to hit Mesabi Mountain Trail. This will be my first time. We got Fisher and his XJ here. Alex and his 2008 JK? 11 JK. Tanner's 2017 JKU Rubicon. That one's going to get quite the facelift after this weekend. And then camera guy, it made it. It was quite a week to get it here.
That was a lot of work, but a lot of that is thanks to Travis. He helped build that rear axle off camera and helped install it too.
All to find out that his rear locker doesn't work. But we'll get through it.
Yeah, I'll make up for it with my driving skill.
Yep, this is why I need you here. Hopefully I don't need that today, but it might come in handy. So we're gonna hit the trail. What do you think? 3-hour run? 7-hour run? We'll find out.
Hopefully not.
Yeah, let's hit it.
So this is Tanner's JK. It's basically stock other than 2.5 Mopar lift and some 35s. It is a Rubicon, so it does have front and rear lockers and the factory rock sliders. But other than that, it's all stock. Stock steering, stock arms, stock springs.
Nicely done.
What'd you think of the first obstacle in your new Jeep?
I think it does pretty good. We might not even need all that iron rock stuff that we're putting on later.
You just gotta put that first big dent in it so you can care less. Hard left. Great.
Almost needed those rock sliders.
Okay, hold up. Slow down. That wasn't that bad, was it? Keep inching. Hit it. Nope.
Ah, it's so close.
I'm trying for. Bump it from here. Yep. And then just stay slightly to the driver's side because of that ledge. But I didn't.
You've got belly clearance for days on this. Yeah.
Here we go. Do it for Dale.
And more, Dale. Woo!
Yeah. Fisher's XJ. It's a 98. It's got Dana 30 up front. E-locker.
With a Curry 70 rear.
Curry 60.
60.
Curry 60 high pinion rear. Crawl it. Come on. You got it. Alright, so Travis's LJ, his wife's driving. His Jeep's got 37s, JK Rubicon axles, E-lockers in both. 488s.
Yep.
He's got some brand new KMC bead locks on there too.
Yep. No. This one you already did before.
peasy. Go a little passenger. There it is. Keep it a little passenger. There eventually. There it is, there it is. Oh yeah.
Alex, you got him?
Right. Throttle this.
So we made it to the end of MMT. It is an in and out trail, so now we're gonna start working our way back to the beginning, getting out of here, head back to camp.
Full send. We're towards the end. We've hit the end, spun around, and a buddy of ours decided to crawl between two big boulders, so we did the same, and it went good. We took a hard hit coming down, but nothing I was worried about. About 50 yards later, my brake pedal went to the floor. Knew immediately, cracked a line, broke something, so shut her down, jump out, start checking brake lines, and the rear passenger brake line, the block was loose on the caliper. We just snugged it up, let it.
Rocker was working on that one.
Unreal that we got lucky enough to humble that.
Hey guys, we just closed out Mesabi Mountain Trail. We got everything done. We didn't actually miss a single obstacle. It took us about 6 hours to get, 5 Jeeps through there. A lot of these Jeeps did awesome. I think every single one of us made it through everything we intended to get through today. This is going to wrap it up for day one. I really appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully you guys are going to join us for day two.